Hello everyone, welcome back for Big Data Analytics video lecture. Today's topic is Introduction to Pig. ये नहीं, this is not, this is Muscleman Pig. Now, what is Pig? In 2006, Apache Pig was developed as a research project at Yahoo, especially to create and execute MapReduce jobs on every dataset. In 2007, Apache Pig was open sourced via Apache Incubator. In 2008, the first release of Apache Pig came out. In 2010, Apache Pig graduated as an Apache top level project. Now, Apache Pig is an abstraction over MapReduce. It is a tool or platform which is used to analyze large set of data representing them as data flows. Pig is generally used with Hadoop. We can perform all the data manipulation operations in Hadoop using Apache Pig. So Pig works on top of Hadoop. Now, why there is need of Pig? I know some of you are not uh, right. Programmers who are not so good at Java normally used to struggle working with Hadoop, like programmers who hate Java programming, who don't want to write a Java programming, especially while performing any MapReduce task. So Apache Pig is a boon for all such programmers. While comparing Java with Pig, if you written any MapReduce program in Java, it is near about 2000 lines is equal to 10 lines in Pig. Using Pig Latin, programmers can perform MapReduce tasks, especially without having to type complex codes in Java. Apache Pig uses multi-query approach, thereby reducing the length of codes. For example, an operation that required you to type 200 lines of code, LOC line of code in Java can easily done by the types as less as just 10 line of code in Apache Pig. Ultimately, Apache Pig reduces the development time by almost 16 times. Pig Latin is SQL-like language and it is easy to learn Apache Pig when you are familiar with SQL. Apache Pig provides many built-in operators to support data operations like joins, filters, ordering, etc. In addition, it also provides nested data types like tuples, bags, and maps that are missing from MapReduce. The language used to analyze data in Hadoop using Pig is known as Pig Latin. Now, Pig environment. Pig is made up of two pieces, Pig Latin. It is used to express data flow. The language used to analyze data in Hadoop using Pig is known as Pig Latin. It is high-level data processing language which provides a rich set of data types and operators to perform various operations on the data. Next, architecture of Apache Pig. It contains Pig Latin script, grunt shell, Pig server, parser optimizer, compiler, execution engine, MapReduce, HDFS. Okay, so I will delete this one and this one. So whatever we write in initially, the Pig script are handled by the parser. Okay, so whenever we are writing any script, all go through the grunt shell or the Pig server. Now, what is grunt shell? Grunt shell is like a Hive shell or SQL shell where we run the Pig script. Okay, now if you want to run the Pig script with other language, you want to embed the Pig script with other language, then we have to use Pig server. When finally we write a program, then we are giving input to the Pig via grunt shell or Pig server. The first come is parser. Initially, the Pig script are handled by the parser. It checks the syntax of the script, does type checking and other miscellaneous checks. The output of the parser will be DAG. You know DAG? DAG is directed acyclic graph, which represents the Pig Latin statements and logical operators. In the DAG, Directed acyclic graph, the logical operators of the script are represented as the nodes and the data flow are represented as edges. Next, the output of parser is given to the optimizer, means DAG or directed acyclic graph, or we are doing the syntax checking in parser. Now the output of the parser is given to the optimizer. By name itself that it is optimized. The logical plan directed acyclic graph is passed to the logical optimizer, which carries out the logical optimization such as projection, push down, etc. Now the optimized code is given to the compiler. The compiler compiles the optimized logical plan into a series of MapReduce jobs. Now, what is the use of execution engine? Finally, the MapReduce jobs are submitted to Hadoop in a sorted order. Finally, these MapReduce jobs are executed on Hadoop, producing the desired results. And the complete result is stored in HDFS. Next, features of Pig. The features Apache Pig comes with following features: rich set of operators. It provides many operators to perform operations like join, sort, filter, etc. Ease of programming. Pig Latin is similar to SQL, and it is easy to write a Pig script if you are good at SQL. UDFS. What is UDFS? It is user defined functions. Pig provides the facility to create user-defined functions in other programming languages such as Java and invoke or embed them in a Pig script. Optimization. The task in Apache Pig optimize their execution automatically. So the programmers need to focus only on semantics of the language. Ability to handle all kinds of data. Right, Apache Pig analyze all kinds of data, both structured as well as unstructured. It stores the result in HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. So thank you very much. uh,